Ki kat tu kat Lyngkhuit ki Samla Kynthei ki Ballet College ki lapan pau ya ka jing sngo Tieng Shong banyat na Lynti na pom Anjali da ka ba kilaong baman ka sngi ki juyo I wei Briew ba Shong Lyngkhuit ha ka jaka bat ujuri elade ha ka ni ka sanyum ka bano sa ka Lynti thambi joy habaya kran bat unong lum Khubor jong u Kynjatshai ki le thu ba ki juyo I uni Briew janman ka sngi bat bynta la jan chito yo ba ujukran Sniew ki Kynthei ha ba ki ya Lynti nang tei kilaong bamanta ka sngi kimban si shu ban pentip sa ki traffic police ki badan hamajan namal baki sngo Tieng palat bat umla sa shu ban set bat nakilang ki pulat traffic kila kentu yaki bakin shondor lala yo ibiang yo u sa sisien bat day ban ipin I ya kedur sya ki tenat pulen kini ki Samla Kynthei kila kerpat ya ka tenat pulen bakin simkia halor kani da ka ba kilaong bakom don shu ka jing Shong singan ha ka yat ka yang wat ka por min sngi min shai.
Okay, one particular cops is enough. Particular cops so that we girls will be safe. Not only working in the day, obviously in the night also, like many girls they are working as a part-time job. Evening classes are also there, so they will be like coming by walking, so they will be safe all around. So that's why they should provide cops all around. And in this area, especially this area is very dangerous. Like we don't see people because they are hiding behind the bushes. They might do.
And we have faced this problem so many times.
Oh, in which area?
In this area only.
Only in this area. Like, how many people have you seen in this area? One.
Yeah. One day he was like, I saw one the guy. We were all like, we friends were walking from here. He was like not behind the bushes. He was there on the
Bus stand.
Oh, he was doing that shit. He was like he was looking us at a creepy way. He was doing the shit. It was very simple to see that. Very much. So obviously we need the protection.
How scared do you feel like when guys like that look at you in a creepy way like that? How do you feel?
We really feel unsafe. Unsafe because we as a girl we have to like look around each and every day. Day we have to look around. We feel very unsafe. We feel like actually girls these days they are being harassed, raped, molested. So we have to look around. We have to like we take each and every step. We are not safe at all. And so that's what even the police they should do something for the girls, because in this type of matter it's very important to do such stuff.
Can you maybe describe us a little bit on how the person looked like?
He was
tall. He was not that much old. He was middle-aged, kind of middle-aged. Plus, I don't know. He always wear white shirts and jeans pants. Always, okay. Might be he sleep all around here and behind the bushes.
Earlier you said that
if I'm not wrong, he used to sleep over there.
Earlier you also said that he was naked, no? You find that guy naked.
He was naked.
But later on when police like follow him, he was wearing white t-shirt and blue pant.
Okay. So these are the only area which you guys face a lot of things. So now walking around from here, it's not safe.
Yeah, it's not safe anymore.